Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and today I'm bringing you my latest Dollar Tree haul. So a little bit different angle, the hutch is still behind me, but it's during the day so the lighting's a little different. I did chop off quite a bit of hair, took off about 4 inches, and it's perfect for summer. So let's get right into this haul. I found fall floral at the Dollar Tree, you guys. And I feel like each year they're doing a little bit better job. So I ended up picking up 2 stems of this, almost like a sunflower, but it's like burlappy. And so let's see, 1, 2, I think you get 4 flowers on each stem, and I got 2 of those. And then I picked up some, oh, this one's falling apart. Malfunction here. Some burlappy, like more than cream, probably like tea stained almost hydrangeas. So I got 3 of those stems, and I think those are going to be very pretty for fall. So I remember going through my fall flowers and thinking I wanted some lighter colors. So hopefully if I need more, they'll be around, but you know how it goes with the Dollar Tree. You got to get it when you see it. And speaking of that, I picked up a few things for some future DIYs, and they're clearly not gonna be like this when I'm done. So this is a little plaque they had out for graduation. Let the adventures begin. I guess really that could be for anything, but it's not gonna look like this. And then I found one of their little chalkboards, and I had something in mind for that. Obviously, Father's Day is over, but I was able to find another plaque for Father's Day that they put out, and I just picked it up for a DIY. And I'm not sure what I want to do with this yet, but I didn't want them to go out of the stores and not be there by the time I came up with something. So you know that about right around Mother's Day, I want to say, maybe for spring, they put out these wooden frames, and yes, they are very farmhouse. I'm trying to not get the lighting to glare you guys there, but it's just a 5x7. I think I also picked up an 8x10. It's in my craft stash. And then this is more stuff for a different DIY. They have out the little, I always forget what these are called, you guys. I always want to say twine, and I know that's wrong. Rattan, the little rattan balls. So they have them in like a almost white, and then more of a natural color, and then the darker. And I picked up 2 of the 4 count of those. It's very weird to do this haul and be holding stuff over here for some reason, but the lighting I think will be better. And then I did get a pack of the smaller ones, and you get 6 in the smaller pack. So that's all DIY stuff. And then I have some decor stuff, and then some more stuff. Decor and more. I found this over a week ago, and you guys know I fight myself on the Farmhouse Decor because I like it and I enjoy things that look worn and rustic and just kind of thrown together. I just think it's a comfortable feeling, but I live near the beach, so trying to put on a farmhouse decor in my house is just, it feels weird to me. But all that said, I'm leaning that way. Yes, I know, so many of you guys are funny in the comments and say, girl, you're farmhouse. And I found this little canvas print. So it's just a print on canvas from the Dollar Tree. It's obviously a barn-shaped building, and it has the little, what is that called? Windmill? Does it sound right? And so I picked it up. I'll probably use it in my decor somewhere. Funny story, my parents actually custom built a home, and this is exactly the shape it was. And it was blue, so that's kind of a fun little find for me. I also found this over in the decor frame candle area of my store, and they're just the little banks. Now these are plastic. When I had seen, I don't even remember who I saw pick one up. It had like shopping in the background, like a purse and lipstick and high heels. And I thought that it was pressboard or wood or something, but it's plastic. So I don't know. I mean, I think I like it more because it's plastic. And this is the one I picked up, Saving for My Dreams. I'm not even sure that it'll stay like this. I don't know that I won't use it in a DIY, but I wanted to show you guys the back. It just has that little clip. And so I think you can just pop that part and then get in through the back. So I wanted to share that with you guys. And this is another thing for a DIY. This is not staying in my hand today. This is not the normal like candle votive light up battery operated things from the Dollar Tree. These are LED tea light candles is what they're called, but they're much smaller. They're about the size of maybe a water bottle, and you twist them. So I had something in mind for those. I picked up a couple of butter dishes because you never know when you're going to need a good little butter dish from the Dollar Tree. And then let me do these things before I forget. Dollar Tree's putting out some stuff. It's sort of in my store on an end cap by the stationery and books. And it's this called, what is it? Creativity Inc. line. So this is all kind of stationery, paper goods. These are 40 tags, you guys. And they're just that natural color with the gold and white hangers. Can you say Christmas? Like 40 tags for $1? So I picked these up. They'll probably go in my gift wrapping, and I mean, I think they're perfect for anything. And then I picked up these, which are just gold letters, alphas. You get 64 of them, and they're pretty big actually for alphas. And then some gold strips. So these are just pieces of metallic gold. There's 32 in a pack, and it's paper, like a little bit heavier than paper, closer to a cardstock. So I did pick up 2 packs of those. And let me cover this so it doesn't blind you, but it shows that you can like fold it and do different little paper crafts with it. And I have nothing in mind, but I thought that that was a good little find for my craft department. I also found something I've been looking for a long time, the welcome stickers. So you guys know they always put out these little wall decals, and this one just says welcome on it. And below it says, may all who enter as guests leave as friends. If you just wanted the welcome, you could easily just cut that part off and use the welcome. So I got that. I picked up some of these little storage containers in the craft area. I have something in mind for these. And then kind of a mishmash of things left. I love getting thank you cards at the Dollar Tree because it's $1. You get multiple in a pack. I thought these were really pretty and could go for anything. They have a little bit of glitter to them. So they're just little thank you cards, and the glitter's in the white part of it, and you get 6, and they're by Hallmark. So I liked those. I like to have thank you cards on hand. Picked up a stocking stuffer. It's summer. Before we know it, it's going to be fall, and I like to have things already in that department, if you know what I mean, handled, or at least collected a few things. So I picked up one of the plush keychains. It's for one of my little ones that loves hot dogs, and so yeah, I just thought that was a fun little stocking stuffer. So pick them up now, guys, before we all blink and it's fall and they're gone. I did find this party bag. I've been loving their bags lately and buying quite a few, and I liked this one. I just thought it was really some nice colors together. Definitely got teen girl written all over it. And then I have like 4 more things to share. I'm sure you guys have seen that Ocean Spray has put out a 6-ounce bag at the Dollar Tree. Now these are the infused with, and so these are dried cranberries, but they're infused with cherry juice, and to me that sounds amazing. But what sounds even more amazing is putting these in a cookie with like oatmeal and white chocolate chips. So I've got good plans for these, and that's a really good buy, especially for the Ocean Spray brand. And then I also picked them up in the infused with pomegranate. My husband really loves pomegranates. And I picked up those shortbread cookie boxes from the Dollar Tree where you put sort of a jam in the middle. I think it comes with jam, but I thought that it would be nice to try those with some raspberry preserves in the middle. I think it came with strawberry, and I want to say it was a red box by Betty Crocker. So I'm thinking about putting those together. And then I picked up a pack of these. These are one of my favorite things from the Dollar Tree, hands down. I love them. I use them for so many things. So I'm going to be doing a video on that, how I use these, and they're out right now in the packs of 3 for the Dollar Day deals. So I've got them in all colors and they're just awesome. So that's it, just a quick little Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed finding whatever you're looking for, and maybe I gave you some ideas of what to look for next time you're at the Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys back very soon in the next one.